Hi, welcome back. This is just going to be a quick video on how to reset your oil indicator without using a scanner tool on a 03 GMC Sierra half-ton 1500 series. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Clargo Garage. And you can also sign up to become a member on the Clargo Garage YouTube channel. Basically, becoming a member will give you a little earlier access to videos when I do get them posted. Anyone that's followed my channel for a while has probably noticed that sometimes I just get busy and I don't get as much stuff edited as quick as I would like sometimes. But I have been trying to stick to getting videos out every second week at a minimum, and so far I've been sticking to that pretty well. And when I do have time to edit, I usually try to get a little bit ahead, so you do get earlier access to those videos. Alright, so I just did a oil change on my 2003 GMC Sierra, and my oil change warning light is a message on the display has been coming up. So I'm going to fire up the truck and we're going to see that message. I also need to top up my window washer fluid, so we're going to get that message too, but that's okay. And I'll show you how we clear that so it doesn't keep coming up after you've done your oil change. Alright, we're going to fire the truck up. So we got the change engine oil and check washer fluid. We're not concerned with that one right now. I just need to top it up. So I'm going to shut the truck off now. So the truck's shut off. And now I'm going to turn the key on. So the key is on. And now I'm going to hit the gas 3 times, right to the floor. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to fire up the truck and it should clear the code. So when you do that, you'll see that message, oil life reset. So now when I fire up the truck, it should be gone. So now we're good for until our next oil change. I like to do my oil changes at 5,000 kilometers. So we're pretty good. Alright, so that's how you reset your oil needs to be changed warning message without using a scanner tool. If you have a scanner tool, you can plug that in and go through the settings and reset that. Or you can just turn the key to the on position, hit the gas 3 times, and it resets the engine oil code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Clargo Garage. Have a great night.